Boat for treasure. So anyways, guys, we're gonna play Build a Boat for treasure. Let's go to Build a Boat for treasure. Okay, we search for it. Play here. Yoink. Okay, we're here. We have loaded in. So anyways, guys, I just woke up. I make videos daily at 3 a.m. Anyways, let's just go build. Let me just load my boat. Yoink. Saves. Yoink. My progress. So let's continue with my progress. Let's go with my progress. So we're gonna go here, 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 and here. Then we go here. We go here. Wait, no. Okay. Doing good. I just hope that we don't break our thing, or I hope we win. Part 2 will come in a long time, or I think it wouldn't exist. Go here. Let's just drilled it randomly. I know it's not good, but at least it's something. Let me just do this. So anyways, guys, it doesn't look so bad. Anyways, I'm gonna just we're gonna just go here, here, there. Then we're gonna sit here. Gonna take a boot. Okay, just kidding. And we're gonna launch. No, I'm not gonna look here at all. Anyways, guys, we're already. Look so bad. Ah. Anyways, subscribe. Just take a chill pill. Well, it's taking too long. So anyways, I'm gonna do something that no one could risk. That when they tried to risk, they never survived. Hey, look, I'm surviving. Ah! Look at me. Look, I'm gonna run. Oh, come on, it don't work. If I jump, I'm literally gonna die. Yoink, yoink. No, no! No. No, 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 no! No! Oof. Let's buy something. Let's see what there is. Okay, I'm gonna buy this. Will. Yeah, 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 yeah. Not really good. How about rare? Let's see how good this is. Nah, not too rare. Uncommon. Yoink, yoink, yoink. Well, now we have those things. Let's just make another one. Another one. House number 6. Mall. So anyways, guys, wait. So anyways, so let's just go here, here. Whoop. Load a boat. Let's just make this, in case if we're gonna fall or something, we're gonna just put these chairs. In case we don't die. I know it's kind of a dumb thing to do, but at least it's gonna make us not dead. I mean, wait, here, in here. Now we'll be safe. Lunch. Okay, I'm gonna go watch something. YouTube. Let's just watch some YouTube. What's this? What? What? Is Sonic EXE gonna be gone? Because I have a feeling that he's gonna die. Hey, wait. Isn't that the Google thing? Hey, look. See, I told you we're gonna be alive. Oh, we haven't even reached there yet. Anyways, let's just...
Woohoo! Hey, Tails!
Sonic! Do you want to go flying on the new tornado?
No, girlfriend.
What?
What?
The what? Okay, that looks weird. Let's just watch this. Youngest rapper.
Drop the beat.
Adults rapping a kid, the FNAF kid. The kid be like.
Y'all can rock this.
The adult be like.
Look. Ha, ha. What the hell is this? Are you rapping? This nigga cannot be human. How are you moving like that? Yo! Oh my God! What is that? Drop the beat.
No, I mean, like, if that kid actually did that, he would literally, his stomach would literally explode. Hey, nothing has happened really. See, I told you this would work. It's kind of getting bad. At least we're okay. That's the least we could get. Anyways, let's just, I'm kind of bored of this. What's this?
Bro, what is this toxic person doing?
LLLLL.
Stop. Or I'll play with Roblox.
Bet.
I know how to find Roblox. Here it is. This game is so secret.
Warning, don't join or something bad happens.
OMG, is that him? Wait, Roblox is actually online. He's playing a game. Is Roblox here? OMG, no way. There he is.
Hello, Bozo.
Friend me now. What, he actually did it? Subscribe and like right now to friend Roblox.
Nah, I'm not gonna subscribe.
Like and subscribe right now before this Slender gets me.
Comment GN50 if you hate Stitch Face.
Any Roblox
Yes,
update?
subscribe.
Your mom has bought Roblox.
Bruh.
I'm sure it will be fine. Let's play my favorite game.
Oh wait, let's see our progress now. We're doing okay. No, my head! We're doing not okay. I hope we don't die.
Oh my God!
Yay, someone wants to be friends. Wait, what? She was only gonna be my friend. This item is finally on sale. I'm buying it.
You serious?
This is so sad.
First to say ABC gets 100k Robux.
OMG. Why can't I send messages?
Oh, come on, that's really the worst.
Nope.
No. Roblox is the best. Oh.
Bruh.
That's a
Does
rule.
anyone want to be my friend?
Hey, baby girl.
Bruh.
Let's be friends.
Okay.
Just be a slender first.
What?
One of us.
One of us.
They're just the same cylinders. Me when I want to go in the avatar shop.
Why are there hearts? You, what is this? Can anyone be my friend?
OMG me. ABC for online date.
What?
Please. I will give you 100k Robux.
Okay, fine.
Now give me all your diamonds. Now!
A new update. This will be so fun.
Your dad just bought Roblox.
OMG, my dad bought Roblox? Why are all my friends outside? This is bad. Wait, never mind. Maybe Dad will give me Robux.
Roblox system.
Hey, look. I'm doing good progress. Let's see, we're almost at the end. Well, let's just go here. Watch here.
Important. Do homework.
Bro, I will just buy it.
Go to your homework.
Let's play my favorite game.
Let's just see our progress. This doesn't look good. What if I step out? Holy smokes, I'm not okay. Oh, we're dying. We're gonna lose our progress soon. Come on, let's win. Come on, we're so close. No, please. No. Holy smokes, I'm gonna die. Please. I don't want to die right now. I don't want to die. I'm gonna die. Come on. Oh, come on. No. Stop pulling me. Bruh. 12 on. Yes, please. You're so close. Come on. Holy smokes, I didn't realize that. You're dead. I'm sure as dead. No. I was so close. You know what? Let's try again. Anyways, guys. Load. Let's use our things again. But this time we're gonna break it over here. Oh. Stuck. I'm gonna reset with money on my mind. Got my chain and rock. Okay. No, this time we're gonna be alive. There's no way we're gonna be dead this time. If we are dead, I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna freak out one day. I wish I did. Oh, that's kind of good that I'm actually sitting here right now. There is no way we're gonna die this time. We are gonna be A-okay. Just in case. Oh, there's more gaming chairs. There is no way we're gonna die this time. If we are, then, I don't know. Here, this is in case. Okay, now we're gonna launch. Wait. Launch. Yoink. What? Huh? Oh yeah, I forgot I got control of boat. Oh, look at the ice cream truck. Oh wait. Well, that's gonna be the end for the video today, guys. Anyways, guys, bye.